Hey everybody, Aaron with Kodiak Vans here for another exciting video. Today we're going to be tearing out all of the stuff that comes in the cargo van when we order them. I should say the vans that we got that we didn't order, so we have to clean them out and get them ready for putting everything back in. Come along, I'll show you what's up. So when we purchased van 1 and 2, this is van 1, it comes with all this siding and this hard flooring with these bolts that are impacted into the frame, so they're really tough to get out. Anyway, we have to take all this stuff out and make it look like van 2. So you can see it has no coverings and it's all blank. It's a perfect canvas for us to work from. We've stocked up all the stuff down here on the side. You can see that comes out of it. Anyway, that's what we're going to get to today. All right, so we're going to start tearing this thing apart. It's going to get loud, so enjoy the music. I don't know if you can see this, but Mercedes does a pretty good job on all their sound deadening. It's all across the ceiling, all in these high cells, all the way around. And they have it in the low cells as well, that you'll see in a minute. But they don't put anything here because obviously people put windows in and they don't know what's going to go there, so they leave them blank. Better than that, I love how they do the wiring. Way up in here, So we can hide that behind our upper cabinets. Go along this wall. Austin's had it with these bolts. He's just brute forcing them out of the hole now. I think we have enough to save that in the event if we needed any, we have a couple thousand at this point. All right. Did you almost go skiing on one of those?
No.
Uh-huh. You a little dancing over there real quick?
I don't know what you're talking about.
That would have been karma getting you back. All right. Looking good, looking good.
I know I am.
You're a sexy beast, that's what you are, little boy. That just sounded really wrong.
Yeah.
That
Yeah,
sounded
so
really bad.
I'll see you in jail, alright?
Yeah.
Little boy.
Come here, little boy. I'm gonna put you to work. I have candy in here.
Be hungry.
You get a lot of extra accessories when you buy them this way, so try not to do that. You've got this back piece. I looked all over trying to figure out how to take it off, but basically my son just goes over and goes, hey, just twist it, and it comes right off, like so. He's a genius. Anyway, you can see that there's sound deadening all along the bottom, around here. We've got that one last bolt right over there in front of the wheel well that's just stuck in there. We're going to have to grab something to get a little bit more leverage so we can pull up these floors. But after that, it looks just like the larger van. Everything's pretty much the same. We'll be adding windows to the back here. And of course we still got to get the cargo door, pull the pieces off that as well. So that's about it. It's not that difficult. It took us maybe, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes. But that's about it. You just end up with a bunch of extra prizes that you can use as templates or whatever. It's pretty sturdy material, so don't throw it away. You might be able to utilize it. Okay, so I tapped it with a hammer just a little bit, and that was enough to bust that screw loose. So we did go ahead and get all this yanked out. Just wanted to show you the finished product. These are Velcro strips. They came out with the bottom on the other van, but you can see there's a couple here, a couple in the back here. There was a real big one going across the middle, but that came up with the wood. We went ahead and got the door all done too. So you can see there's actually very little sound deadening in this one. So we'll have to load that one up. But all in all, very nice. Mercedes puts a little bit of extra effort in their quality. The steel is stronger than that of the Ford, but I still love the Ford, and both of them are way better than the Ram. Just in case you need a little help making your decision, spend the extra money, buy the Ford. But that's it. So after this, we start working on sound deadening and the floors. So that's it for today. Subscribe, like button, help us grow our channel. We really appreciate it. Kid needs a job, man. See ya.